It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, push-button start, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver remarks consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,